Get ready to uncover a remarkable secret within Excel that is about to reshape your text handling experience. Welcome to an exciting exploration where we unveil an extraordinary feature, text to speech, which is totally hidden Excel feature. Welcome to the future of Excel where possibilities are limitless. Get ready for a journey that will introduce you to the cutting edge feature of text to speech. Greetings, Excel pointers. It's time to embrace the power of the future. Join us as we uncover the incredible text to speech feature that will redefine how you interact with spreadsheets. Let's dive into the extraordinary as we demystify the magic behind text to speech in Excel. Are you ready to amplify your Excel experience? Let's make your spreadsheet speak. Okay, first of all, we have to see where we will find this crazy Excel feature. Go to your quick access toolbar, right click on it, go to more commands, a small menu opens. So here select it, all commands. So go to alphabetically S because speak starts from S. So let me find where is S. Sorry, it's down like this at there. There is a lot of options of speak cells are available. Speak cells, speak cell to stop speaking cell, speak cells by column, speak cells by row, speak cells on enter. So we will check. Mostly speak cells on enter are useful and speak cells are also useful, but mainly speak cells on enter is my personally favorite. Most of the time I've used it. I just add them to use it. So I just add 3. So I just enter by columns and row. I just add a separator to state different. So I just add 2 separators, one above the speak cells and other is below. So first of all I organize it like this, speak cells by rows and columns like this. Press OK. Now here you can see we have options of speak cells. You can show below the ribbon so it will be easy to access them. So moving to our worksheet. So here for example I add some sample data, name, age, gender. So how speak cells work? We just go to our speak cells option, click it, it will start speaking all the
name, age, gender.
It will speak all the data which is entered. So if we go to option of rows and columns, for example I add some name, also age, as I have entered some data, so I can also select it. It will be spoken by rows or columns. For example, I selected row, so now I go to speak cells. It will start speaking by row wise.
Name, age, gender, John, 28, male.
If I want to speak like a column wise, just select it. Now go to speak cells.
Name, John,
See.
Alexander, age,
Now
28,
it starts speaking
43,
like
gender,
your row.
male.
You just want to stop it, go to your speak cell, stop speaking cell, click it, it will be stop. Now second mainly using option which is too much helpful and I am also using in my daily life. Here is speak cells on enter. We just turned it on and see how it will work.
Cells will now be spoken on enter.
Okay, now every time I enter some data and press enter, it will speak that data.
Name, class, section.
Text to speech feature is too much helpful tool that allows the computer to read aloud the contents of cells in a spreadsheet. This feature can be especially used in various scenarios like proofreading and editing. Hearing the text spoken aloud can help catch error, typos, or any mistake in your data cell during visual proofreading. This is particularly valuable for ensuring accuracy in reports, documents, or any text-heavy spreadsheet. It's also too much helpful in multitasking while listening to the spoken content. User can perform other tasks simultaneously. This is particularly useful when reviewing lengthy documents or data while working on other activities. It is also too much helpful for reviewing long documents for lengthy spreadsheets with extensive content. Listening to the text can be less tiring than reading, making it easier to review and analyze large volumes of data. Thank you for joining us on this captivating Excel journey. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and get ready for more incredible Excel discoveries ahead. Until next time, let's give your spreadsheet a voice.